Well guys, our first herp of the day is this cutie little fence lizard. See if it'll focus. There we go. Hey little dude, what are you doing? Hiding from snakes so you don't get eaten? You're not hiding very well out in the open like that. Alright guys, I'm back out here at Imes, and I decided to come out a little bit later. It's about 11:30ish. Before I came out here when you saw me in the last video. Or last time I was out here around like 9:30, so I figured I'd try a little bit later and see if that worked. Now, I've looked on this wall and I haven't found anything yet, but I'm really trying to take my time with it. I've been hearing a lot of things moving around these leaves and whatnot. I can't tell if it's fence lizard or a little snake or what, but we're just gonna hit it hard. That's all we can do. So, hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll find some stuff. Under this, I just flipped this broadhead skink, but he took off back under there, so I'm going to see if I can actually get him on film for you. There he is. Look at him. He is adorable. Where are you going? You're running out of places to hide, dude. Oh, goodness. Okay, so pretty much what I am doing today while I'm out here is flipping anything and everything that I can find, but I'm also still looking at these bushes and in the trees and whatnot. And I was thinking it made a lot of sense. So the herping tip I want to give you guys is when you're going out herping and you don't really know what to do, where they're going to be at, you're just kind of winging it like I am today. It's kind of like fishing. You know, you start out with like a plastic worm. If that doesn't work, you try out with like a spinner bait. If that doesn't work, you try in the flats and shallows and deep banks and rock crevices and stuff like that. You keep on trying until you find a pattern. And then once you find a pattern, then you can hone in on where they're going to be at. So if I start flipping some stuff, like I found that one broadhead skink under that piece of wood. So now I'm flipping pieces of wood until I find something else, but I'm also flipping rocks. I'm doing everything until I consistently find herps by a certain way that I'm herping. And once I do that, then I know what to do for the day. So, yeah, that's kind of what the plan is for the day. But so far, we just found those two. But it's still early. Still early. Now that dude is just showing off his manliness. That's a male. You can tell by the blue right there. Look at that. He's just posted up, ready for his push-ups. Ready for his morning routine. I wonder if I can get a picture of him. I'm going to see. Oh, I think he spotted me. Alright, I'm going to try to keep this camera still so you can see this. Guys, that is a male and a female broad-headed skink. And you can tell they're getting ready to mate. Look, he's already got his arm around her butt. Like, come on, baby. But you can tell it's a male because the top one at the male. Because whenever they, I guess, get into heat or are ready to mate, their jaws will, the bottom jaw right there, where it's kind of orange, will expand and will become a colored orange, bright orange. And then there's your female. Yeah, that's super cool. That is super cool. Lover's Lane. Awesome. Pretty much all that's out today is these skinks and fence lizards. It's still a really cool sight though. Alright guys, here we go. Just flipped this railroad tie. Sure enough, got a nice slimy salamander. And he is good size. Healthy. Heck yeah, it's good to know the slimies are out. Bunch of variety today. I'm gonna get some pictures of this guy and then flip his little log back. Guys, here we have in situ this little ringneck. Oh, he's cold. He is cold. Hey, little dude. Oh, we got a ringneck. I didn't know they were gonna be over here or not. But let me know this rock's right there in the sun, so he's getting ready to warm up. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, goodness. Okay, he fell on some leaves. He's good. He's down there. There's another one under there. Huh. Yeah, he just kind of scurried away from me. But yeah, he was just under that. So now that he's right there, I'm not going to mess with this area too awful much. But I do want to see if anybody else could be home, since that was a very unexpected kind of find. Nice though. Alright, let's get this focused in here. I'm doing this for those of you guys who, when I showed the two, I'm over here back at this log where the two broadheads were. And for those of you guys who are going to say in the comments, which I know you are, that the female that I pointed out was actually a blue-tailed skink. No, it's not. This is a blue-tailed skink. They have a definite blue tail, but their lines are a lot brighter. Look at that blue on that tail. Yeah. Other lines are a lot blacker. Yeah. So that's your blue tail. Cute little guy. Here we have another little fence lizard just shot out. Scared the piss out of me. I know I'm showing a lot of fence lizards and skinks, but you know, this says about experimentation and trying to go out and herp. Mid-afternoon or later in the day, so hang on. There we go. That's a better focus of him. He's pretty. Look at those patterns though. Those are ridiculous. Healthy little individual. Well guys, it's not a herp, but it's super freaking adorable. Look at that face. Look at that face. He's like, bro. Look at him. He's so cute. He's so cute. Aw. That's too cool. Where you gonna go if I move, huh? Where you gonna go if I move, buddy? Oh, did you already go? You already went. That was quick. So I got one option for a trail. We got two, and I got three. Been down this one before. I don't think I've been down this one, or been down this one. So this one kind of goes closer to the water, and I'm gonna give it a shot. Because not only am I gonna hit up these spots that I've been before, like the tracks and the wall, but I'm gonna try to find some new trails I haven't been down before either, and just see what we run across. I'm kind of excited. I don't know what to expect at all. Little fence lizard that I just saw doing push. I just got you in focus. Where you? There you are, doing your little push-ups. Flaring out that little thing. We see you, bro. We see you. We see you. Hang on. There we go. See how close I can get to him. Don't you, dick. What are you doing? Where'd you go? I lost him. It's hard to do a zoom, guys, in that thick a cover. Well, it is hard to understand how there is not a timber or a copperhead just kind of chilling out in this area, but this looks like prime freaking habitat, let me tell you what. As I was rummaging through all this stuff, you see my snake stuck over there, and I had to get this guy and move him. Over here, I just found this massive slimy salamander. I mean, good Lord. They just get huge out here. Absolutely insane. Don't go nowhere, buddy. Don't go nowhere. You're alright. You're okay. Alright, I'm gonna put him back in this mess that flipped. There you go, buddy. First turtle of the day. Let's get it to focus on him. Oh, God. Oh. Ah, hornets, hornets, hornets. I'm not okay with that. Looks like we got a nice little, is that a red ear? Let's see. Where'd he go? There he is. Is that a regular slider? He's pretty. I see some bass down there too. Oh, he's taking off. Alright guys, so I'm on this trail that was blocked off by a bunch of trees that they laid down in front of it. I guess because it's closed down. So of course, you know me. And boy, am I glad I did. It's got these huge bluffs here. And then if you notice, there's a trail. It goes up there, back into that stuff. And it looks like it might loop around down here. I'm gonna go back there because that looks, I mean, if I was a timber snake or a timber rattlesnake or a copperhead, then yeah, that's where I'd be. So let's check it out. You ready? Alright, I made it up. Holy crap. Look at all that. And it's all rocks like these. So, I'm not gonna lie, it makes me a little bit nervous because I am solo. And disclaimer, I would not recommend doing this at home if you are by yourself in herping, because in these situations a lot of things could go wrong, and yeah, no one really knows where I'm at. I mean, Bo knows I'm in Imes, but I'm in a blocked off trail, so I gotta be kind of careful. Trying not to break my leg or do anything dumb. But let's get at it. Here's a nice little spot that you'd think would be holding something. That's why I just came up. This is still what I have yet to go, but I heard some rocks falling down the side, and there's plenty of places here where they've had like rock slides. So I didn't really factor that in until I heard that over there falling down, and it kind of freaked me out. So, but wasn't I already a little bit on edge? A little bit more on edge now. So that's good. Alright, well, I made it up here to the top. Doesn't look like I can really go any further. And the only way down is to slide in habitat that could be crawling with like copperheads and stuff. So that's see, you guys hear that? Little rocks falling from there and hitting my area. So yeah, it's time to get down. I'll see you down there if I make it in one piece. Oh, well, that was absolutely terrifying. Because I slid, you guys can see, right there was like sliding down ice. Up there and all the way down was like sliding down ice. Like I had to pay attention because I was afraid if my foot had got caught on a root, then I would have just flown up and just tumbled down. I was going that freaking fast. Tried to stop myself. God, filthy dirty. Worth it though. So I am on the other side of this quarry. You guys remember over there in that spot is where me, Lucas, and Jason checked out that waterfall. That's what that sound is. And this trail goes to the other side of the quarry and leads me to places like this. You'd think after that near-death experience that I just had, I'd pack it up and go home, but you know, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Or just, you know, kills you the second time around. Well, there were no ringnecks over there, but if you guys want to see how far I go around here and what else I find, then I reckon I'll see you guys in part 2. Yep, it's gonna be a two-parter. See you on the other side.